Hello, and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by George H Thornton in 1876. See that black just has the king left, surrounded by 2 pawns, 2 knights, and the white also has the queen. The king is sort of over on the edge out of the way. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? If you move the knight to g3 to do a reveal check, the king has to escape to g5. You can then move in the queen, but this only gives you a checkmate in 3, not in 2. Moving the knight to g7 forces the king to g5 again, but there's no follow-up for a mate in 2 here. You again just get the checkmate in 3. Moving the knight to e7 gives similar results, so the king moving away to g5, then you can move in with the queen, checkmate in 3. And even moving the knight to h4 doesn't give a checkmate in 2, and you can come in and again just checkmate in 3. Okay, let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. So what you need to do is checkmate in 2 to actually move the knight to e3. Then if the king escapes to g5, you can move the queen to h6 to checkmate in 2. If the king escapes to e5, you can move the queen to d6 to checkmate in 2. If the king takes the pawn on f3, you can then move the knight to g3 to reveal checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.